Hi guys, I'm Tassine.
And I'm John. Welcome to Millennial Fire, where we give you guys practical tips on reaching financial independence and early retirement. And while you're watching this video, if you enjoy, we ask that you please hit that like button for us because it really helps us out. And also hit that subscribe button as well so you can see every time we post a new video. So it's the time of the month again where we share our net worth with you guys. We track our net worth on the 25th of every month so we can have a report card of how we're progressing on our goal to financial independence. For those of you that may not know what a net worth is, it's a simple calculation of assets minus liabilities, where assets represents anything that you own that generates more money than it costs to maintain, or anything that appreciates in value. And liabilities are simply just debt. So with that being said, let's get to our breakdown of our assets for this month. So as usual, our asset sheet is ordered from the smallest asset to our largest asset. So let's start with crypto. So for December 2021, the value of our crypto portfolio was $222.10. And as of January 2022, the value is now $191.34. So over the last month, we've invested roughly $50 into this portfolio, but it still went down. Since the beginning of the year, Bitcoin has dropped over 17% and Ethereum has dropped over 28%. So at this moment, we don't invest much into this part of the market because we don't want that to deter from our goal of reaching financial independence. But we do want exposure to this part of the market in case it blows up, and also so we can have the experience to share with you guys.
Our next asset is our health savings account. And as of December 2021, this account had $7,452.93. And as of January 2022, it totaled $7,694.09. We invest about $600 into this account every month, and our investment of choice in this account is the S&P 500.
Next up is our individual stock portfolio. As of December 2021, this was valued at $9,050.29. And as of January 2022, this is valued at $8,234.15. This is another asset class that we've just recently started to get back into and investing money into. In the last month, we've invested $457.56 toward this portfolio. So in this portfolio, we're currently invested in Prospect Capital, Southwestern Energy, Tesla, Starbucks, Disney, Microsoft, Alliance Bernstein, and a newcomer to the list, Ford. So two of these stocks are very special because we got them for free. And those stocks are Prospect Capital and Southwestern Energy. And you can also get stocks for free by signing up for Webull using the link in the description below. So our decision to add Ford to the list was in hopes of getting some more exposure to the electric vehicle market. And like the rest of the market, the majority of these stocks are down at the moment. Tesla took a huge hit this month, and that's why this portfolio is actually lower than it was in the previous month.
Our next assets are our post-tax index and ETF brokerage accounts. As of December 2021, the total sum of these accounts equaled $18,070.67. And as of January 2022, these accounts totaled $20,420.07. In these accounts, we invested approximately $4,700, and we're invested into the index fund FXIAX and the ETF QQQM.
Next on the list, we have our savings and emergency fund accounts. These accounts include not only our personal savings and emergency funds, but also the savings and emergency funds for our businesses as well. So as of December 2021, the total of all these accounts were $27,643.58. And as of January 2022, the total of these accounts were $25,556.87. The reason for this change is because one of these accounts also includes the holding account that we send money to after we get paid to transfer to all of our individual investments. And so this is why you see that change here. We're going to work on being a bit more consistent on the exact day that we do this so we don't see this fluctuation in future net worth.
Our next asset is our Roth IRA accounts. John has one and so do I. And as of December 2021, these accounts total $52,510.08. And as of January 2022, these accounts total $49,931.50. And we invest $1,000 a month between both of our accounts. And we're invested in Fidelity's version of the S&P 500, the FXIAX.
Next up are our employee-sponsored 401k and 403b. The total of these accounts in December 2021 were $74,562.30. And as of January 2022, the total of these accounts are $71,717.36. So between the both of us, in the last month, we invested $3,140 between these accounts. And in these accounts, we're also invested in the S&P 500.
Our next asset are our rollover IRAs. Between the both of us, December 2021, our accounts totaled $92,622.19. And as of January 2022, these accounts now total $85,456.11. And these accounts are invested in the S&P 500 through FXIAX. And because these are rollover IRAs, we don't invest anything additional into these accounts.
And last but not least on our asset list, and the saving grace of the thing that actually went up, is our real estate portfolio. And that includes our 3 properties. As of December 2021, our real estate portfolio totaled $922,627. And as of January 2022, they grew to $933,144. So as you know, the real estate market has been growing like crazy over the last few years. And as you see, that growth is still continuing here.
So our assets total in December 2021 was $1,204,761.14. And as of January 2022, our assets now total $1,202,345.49. So our assets from December 2021 to January 2022 have actually decreased by $2,415.65. And this is because the market so far is down this year. And the majority of our investments in the stock market are in FXIAX, which tracks the S&P 500, which is down 7.8%. And the second largest asset class that we have invested in the market is QQQM, which is an ETF that tracks the NASDAQ 100, which is down a little over 13% this year. But with our stock market investments down so much this year, our portfolio actually only decreased by 0.2%. And this is because our portfolio is diversified with real estate being the largest asset class, and the real estate market since last month has actually gone up.
So now let's go over to our debt side. And as always, we start with our credit card. In December 2021, the value of our credit card debt was $697.49. And as of January 2022, the total of our credit card debt was $3,540.96. So a very important thing that we want to point out here is that we always pay off our credit cards before any interest is charged on them. So we pay them down to zero. It just so happens that when we do our net worth, the credit card transactions may have not gone through for the payment yet. And so we see this huge jump due to us doing the transactions for paying on different days. We're going to work on being more consistent moving forward so we don't see as huge as fluctuation. But we just want to share with you guys exactly how much we spent on our credit cards, because that represents how we're budgeting as well, and that's how it applies to our net worth.
And our last category for debt is our mortgages, which is the largest amount of debt that we have. And in December 2021, our mortgages totaled $533,092.90. And as of January 2022, the mortgage total is now $531,969.15. We have 3 properties, and 2 of which are rentals. One is a duplex, and the other one is a single family home. And then the condo that we own is the one that we actually live in. And so we don't accelerate payments on our mortgage right now because our rental property mortgages are fully covered by our rental income. And the only property that is not covered by rental income is the property that we live in right now, but we do plan for this to be a rental one day as well.
So for December 2021, the total of our debt was $533,790.39. And as of January 2022, the total was $535,510.11. And as you see here, that was a change of an increase in debt of $1,719.72.
So now let's calculate our net worth. So in December of 2021, our assets totaled $1,204,761.14 minus our debt of $533,790.39 equaled a net worth of $670,970.75. And as of January 2022, our assets total $1,202,345.49 minus our debt of $535,510.11 equaled a total of $666,835.38. This means our net worth decreased by $4,135.37, which is a 0.62% change.
So of course, we don't look forward to negative net worth changes from month to month. As we said before, we use our net worth as a report card of how we're progressing toward our financial independence journey. And unfortunately, this month we took a step backward. But we're still going to be doing everything we can to progress toward financial independence as quickly as possible. We're hoping that the market does pick up this year, but in the case that it doesn't, we don't want to solely just depend on one thing. We want to diversify as much as possible. So like Tassim mentioned before, focusing more on real estate and other business opportunities as well. We encourage you guys to start doing this as well. Tracking your net worth can help you make better decisions in your finances. You can look at what happened last month, what happened last year, so you can know what to do better for next month and for next year. And so we hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please let us know if you have any questions about any of the decisions that we made or any of the decisions that we plan to make. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.
See you guys.